Hello dear traders, the US dollar index rose for the second week in a row. The positive data on the US economy contributed to this fact. This data increases the probability of the Fed rate hike maintained at the low level of 0.25% since December 2008. On Tuesday, it was announced that CPI in June remained at the May level of 2.1% in annual terms. Its value is very close to the Fed target level and is considered to be optimal for the further strengthening of the U.S. economy. Existing home sales in June came out the same day. They increased 2.6%, reached a high since 2007 and amounted to 5.04 million units. Investors expect the existing home sales growth to outperform 3% as a result of 2014. There was another positive statistics released on Thursday. Initial claims index reached its lowest level since February 2007 and amounted to 284,000 people. It is another very positive indicator for the U.S. economy. Non-farm payrolls increased monthly by 200,000 for the fifth month in a row for the first time since the late 90s. Note that last week, due to the dollar strengthening, the weakening of the euro was observed. The EU has borders with Ukraine where now the military action takes place. This has a negative impact on the single currency rate. Probably some investors recall that during the previous European armed conflict in Yugoslavia in the early 90s, the euro tumbled 25%. A lot of very important events likely to affect the currency market are expected this week in the US. Macroeconomic data is to be issued every day. However, the most significant will be Wednesday and Friday. The preliminary GDP data for the second quarter will be released on Wednesday. It is expected to grow by 3.6% and that makes up for its drop by 2.9% in the first quarter. Also, a regular Fed meeting will be held in which the QA3 tapering is expected to reduce by 15 billion to 20 billion per month. The increase is caused by the fact that the next Fed meeting will be held only on September 17 and it will not be held in August. The data on the US labor market in July is to be released on Friday. It is expected to be as positive as the GDP performance released on Wednesday. Non-farm payrolls performance is expected to exceed significantly 200,000 people. In general, the US economic outlook favors the continued growth of the dollar. Let us see the currency market reaction later.